Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by setting efficient temps and fixing airflow, because temperature and ventilation drive power use. First, set the fridge to 35 degrees C and freezer to -18 degrees C, then unplug and clean condenser coils to remove dust. This restores heat transfer. Once done, inspect door gaskets and tighten or clean them so cold air stays inside. Make sure to remove any overpacked shelves that block vents, because restricted circulation forces the compressor to run more. You now optimize how the fridge runs every day. Organize items to allow airflow and avoid adding large warm trays that spike compressor cycles. Use available energy-saving modes or a smart plug and timer to reduce runtime during peak rates, because shifting load lowers bills. Also monitor frost. Defrost when ice exceeds 1/4 inch to restore efficiency. If the unit is old and runs constantly, consider replacing the compressor or fridge, since newer models use far less electricity. You finish by fine-tuning and learning to troubleshoot so savings last. Add simple insulation like reflective film behind the fridge or gasket repair strips to cut heat gain. Then verify thermostat accuracy with a fridge thermometer and recalibrate if it's off, because an incorrect sensor causes overcooling. If runtime stays high, test the start relay and measure compressor amp draw. A failing relay or compressor increases consumption. If that fails, call a technician or plan a replacement. Don't ignore rising.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.